Welcome to B&B Precise Products, established in 1990. We are a family-owned small business spanning 3 generations. Located in Central Maine, we are an ISO 9001, AS9100 certified manufacturer providing complex machining and sub-assemblies. Operating out of a 20,000 square foot facility, our company is made up of highly skilled machinists, engineers, quality inspectors, and support personnel. We pride ourselves in our responsive customer service and our proactive communication. We are a reliable and proven solution to produce our customers' most challenging and problematic parts. Our engineering brings nearly 150 years of combined experience in design, methods, and processing of complex components and sub-assemblies. B&B's engineering team excels in the design and manufacture of critical work holding and fixture devices. This enables the most consistent, repeatable, and robust processes of machining. B&B's engineering capabilities include qualification and manufacture to model-based definition. We have long-lasting relationships with OEM-approved suppliers and NADCAP-accredited sources. Consistently delivering quality product is why our customers count on us to produce their most complex, integral machine parts. B&B has been ISO 9001, AS9100 accredited for over 2 decades. Beginning with management, our passion for quality is evident within the organization. Customers partner with us, qualifying our dock to stock. Shipments result in inefficiencies. All shipments leave with a detailed quality documentation package to ensure seamless receive and inspection. B&B supports small to large volume contracts, including development and production. We are your complex machining solution.